How to hide names on Instagram notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide names on Instagram notifications, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to hide names on Instagram notifications, let's say that you receive notification from a certain person. Instagram will not let you hide the name, but what you can do is, let's say you don't want other people to know that you received a notification from one specific person. You can just try to open that person's profile, go to their name here, and then tap the three dots option and then just set a nickname for them. So once you set a nickname, let's say, what you can do is, if this person sends you a message, people are not going to recognize them. Now the other thing you can do is, you can simply try to mute this person with their messages and calls. This way you will not receive notifications from this person. And other thing that you can do is, let's say that you are on your lock screen like this. Whenever you're on your lock screen, it's going to tell you that this person sent you a message, but let's say that is not the case that you might want to be here. So what do you do to hide notifications on your lock screen? For this, open the settings application on your Android phone or your iOS device, then go to notifications, lock screen notifications, and select hide content. When you select that, Instagram will tell you someone sent you a message, but it will not give you the name of the person who sent you a message. So this way you can hide names on Instagram notifications. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.